Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Dr. K. I am Muhammad Ahmed Shafiq bin Jeffrey. Today, I would like to present on how to use the SUMIF and SUMIFS in Excel. So let's start. The sum function is to find the sum of values in a range of cells. So how to use the sum function? So we type the sum and highlight the values to get the total sales for January, for example, at this picture for the entertainment. So we type the sum and highlight the range and then enter to get the total sales for January. That is for sum function. SUMIF function is also used to sum the range of cells based on one criteria only. Okay, so how to use the SUMIF function? So we type the SUMIF and then highlight the range, and then if we want to find one criteria, for example here is more than $100 sales, so we type this and then enter to get the total sums of sale which is more than $100. For the SUMIFS function, if our requirement is to use the multiple criteria while summing the range of cells, we can use SUMIFS function. So, as for example in this picture, we type the SUMIFS function and then we highlight the sum range here, and then we choose the criteria range 1. For example, for the product we want Apple, and then click comma and then choose the supplier, highlight all the criteria range, and then choose Pete. So we click enter and then we get the quantity of the total number of the product of Apple by supplier P. So that is the sum function, SUMIF function and SUMIFS function. So let's take a look on the Excel here. Okay, so how to use this, and then okay, how to find the total amount of sales. We click on this symbol and then type of sum. Okay, and then we highlight the total amount here, highlight all and click enter. So as we can see here, we simply get the total amount of sale by using the sum function, as you can see here. And then next we use how to use the SUMIF function. So we want to find the total amount of sales for DVD product. Okay, so use this symbol on keyboard and then type SUMIF. Okay, and then we take a look this range. Okay, this range. So for the DVD product, okay, so we choose this product and then highlight all and comma and then choose DVD as the criteria, and then comma. For the sum range is we highlight the total amount. Okay, here highlight all and enter. So as we can see, we get the total amount of sale for DVD product. And then next, for the next example, same symbol in keyboard and type SUMIF here, and then the range is payment. Okay, so we can see here, highlight all and then comma, the criteria is PayPal, so choose PayPal here, comma, and then the amount, so highlight all and then enter. So as we can see here, we have the total amount of sales through payment PayPal. Okay, third example for SUMIF. Okay, type SUMIF and then choose source. Okay, source. So highlight all, we click on comma, we choose web and then comma, and amount is highlight all, because we want to know the total amount of sales for the web, through web. So we click enter. Here what we got, the total amount of sales through web sources. Okay, so next we move to the SUMIFS function. So here what we got is, we want to find the total amount of sales for DVD with credit payment. So as you can see here, SUMIFS can use multiple range in this one data. So let's start SUMIFS, and then the sum range is, we highlight this amount. Okay, click on comma. The criteria range one is, as we can see here, the criteria range sales for DVD. Okay, so we choose the product, highlight all, and then we choose DVD and then comma, and then we choose the type of payment, which is by credit payment. So highlight all and then choose credit, enter. So here we got the total amount of sales for DVD with credit payment. It is easy and simple. As we can see, we get the answer quickly. So next we try for the second example for SUMIF. So we use the symbol and type the SUMIFS. For sum range is, we highlight the total amount, and then here comma, the criteria range. Okay, so let's take a look what we want. Sales using web with PayPal payment. Okay, source, highlight this, comma, and choose web and comma, and then with PayPal payment. So we highlight the payment section, so we choose PayPal, enter. So here, as we can see, we have the total amount of sales using web with PayPal payment. So it is easier for us to find the total amount with multiple range by using the SUMIFS function. So that's all from me, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial and hope you understand. Thank you so much.